Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the LOTPP, also LFOTPP. This sounds better. 2017 until 2018 Mazda CX-5 Black Interior Glove Box for the armrest, center console, or it is an armrest storage box. Oh yeah, this is an additional part to get a good protective thing about inside your armrest. There is place, well, more place for awesome things like your keys, your smartphone, etc. It is designed for 2017 up to 2018 Mazda CX-5 cars. Glove palette with 2 pieces, interior matte, and of course color options. I used here the red black version. And you have a high quality ABS material here. It is a holder system. It resists from rust and extreme conditions. It is easy and quick installed. Just enter the box into the original place. No modifications are required. Beautiful. Pimp up your car styling and appearance. Keep your armrest storage in a more organized shape. You have one storage container. In this case, it is a blue, not the blue, it's a black version, and 2 pieces of mats. But here you can see the mats are out of, I think this is rubber, and it is really nice design with red lines. And this will fix all things what you are going to get over it on position. It is compatible with 2017 up to 2018 CX-5 models of Mazda outer storage contact box, particle refrigerator, armrest box, store content. So you can put so much thing inside there and it will get there. You have a nominative and you have a deputy, and you can sort some coins in it. For example, you have the big area. This is a nominative area for cell phones, wallet, smartphones, etc. Then you have the deputy area for lighters, chewing gums, USB drives, disk, etc. And you have you can put their cards, parking cards, wash cards, etc. into it. And of course, you have an area for coins too. It is special placed for coin change. And what you can use is all connections, because there are some areas to get the connections from your Mazda out of it. Really awesome. It is an outer store content box. After the installation, convenient access, no longer confusion. Really awesome. It is not so expensive, and it gets you some better place set up here. Clearly, are you clearly in it? You cannot find something. Charging not whole line. All the dust. This experience is very bad. And if you use this thing, this container for it, you can have a good area with a shape clean surface, and you can use it on your Mazda CX-5. And of course, if you have this black and red design, if you have more, for example, your driver's seat and your passenger seat have these red lines too, you can have pimping thing inside your Mazda as CX5 for it. And you have a hidden feature in it. If you place this interior glove box on top of the armrest area, it is possible to have a hide area under it. There you can store some special things for you, and no one can find it so fast. So the edges is good. You can place it on top easily, as you can see. You can enter to all connections. You can enter to the USB port, and you can enter to the 12-volt socket area too. It's no problem. That means this thing is awesome designed, and it will manage all your problems because of the storage. So the LFOTPP Mazda CX5 black interior glove box is, I think, really awesome. It is an additional pimping part for your car. And you do not have to disassemble anything. Only thing you have to do is place this in position. Job's done. And you have a hidden feature in it. So, thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.